Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update on the crypto markets, but also Bitcoin, because that is what we'll do in this video. We'll take a look at Bitcoin right now. I mean, to be honest, yesterday not too much happened. We did get some volume into the markets, as you can see right here. The volume right now is around 8.5 billion, which is low. But yesterday evening, we did get some spikes and that brought some volume into the markets, and that will continue today. So I do still expect volatility because of that. Volume is a little bit lower than last week, but that's in general also the feeling of September so far. It really is going to be, or at least that's what it looks like so far. It's going to be a tough month. With low volume, not a lot of movement, and most of the movement will probably be bearish. But we will talk about that later as well in this video. And before we dive into Bitcoin, I do want to briefly say that I have now partnered up with BingX. All right, so BingX is an exchange. There's a link down in the pinned comment and in the description if you use that. And if you sign up, BingX is an amazing exchange, has a lot of derivatives, is low fees as well, super innovative. Most people are positive about it. So if you want to use that, I would strongly recommend that. You also gain $50 in a bonus right now if you sign up with the link down in the description. So check that out. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So what we're seeing right now is volume went up a little bit. That's good news and bad news. Good thing, it's good news because there's actually, well, we'll probably get some movement. It's bad news because it's, the more volume there is, the less easy it is to really make the market move. And as we know, or at least as if you watched my video yesterday, if you know that, there's no major economic news today, neither tomorrow, only Wednesday we'll have some of that. So the biggest thing we see now is the dollar strength index. The dollar strength index has had a major or a minor sort of bearish breakout. So kind of depending on what that does at this point of time, we'll either see Bitcoin get some sort of a minor bullish breakout above 25,850, or just a continuation down to 25,600. I mean, so far it's pretty crazy. Like, the market structure, most of you probably know what's going on. That is a consolidation between 26,400 and 25,600. But 25,600 has held up for so long now, like 10 days. And obviously there were some sort of spikes down below and even some sort of a breakout, which was reversed after some bullish news. But it has held up for so long. Most of you know that I do expect a drop like this down to the area around 25,000 at some point of time. And you can also see historically really like 25,000, 24,700. That's the main support level, and I do expect us to drop down towards that level. September is historically bearish. Like I said, the dollar strength index is still bullish right now technically, even though we might see some short-term bearish momentum. But yeah, so this is what I expect for now. But because of the circumstances right now, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin gets some sort of breakout right now as well. I mean, so right now I would say that we're in this micro consolidation between 25,850 and 25,600. It's the start of the week, so we're probably going to get some big moves. If Bitcoin is able to break above 25,850 right now, then it's highly likely that it will also get up to 26,000 and 26,200. And a move like this would likely be accompanied with some bearish momentum from the dollar strength index. And apart from that, if Bitcoin drops down below 25,600, which is ultimately what I do expect at some point of time, then we'll probably see that move down to 25,000 pretty soon. So it's waiting for some sort of a breakout, so that we know at least on the short term what's most likely to happen. But on the long term, it's still pretty clear to me. So that's my take on Bitcoin. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.